What's up, guys? Today is another
Bibigyan ko si mama, that's it.
Yay! Yes! Rock and roll! Parang may narinig akong transaction.
Meron akong 4 na kain.
Nainitan?
Mainit eh. Buti na lang di ako nagdala.
Change outfit po tayo dahil medyo mainit dito pero mamaya magpapalit tayo ng jacket. Dad's gonna grab some burgers for me. Got my order. Daddy and John, they're still buying their thing. What did you get? Mike's Burger. Mike's Burger too. 2 burgers?
One is extra. For anyone.
For that, I just realized I made a mistake because I thought this is the order I got from last year, but it's actually different. So may order ako last year na parang hotdog din na parang ganito na may pepper. And then kala ko ito yon, so I got this, but it turns out hindi pala ito yon. But let's try. I think it looks good too, but it's just that it's different.
Saan si Mami?
And we're all looking for our mom. What did you get, Mama? Japa dog.
Ayos.
Free taste! Ooh, ribs.
Pakain ka, oh.
You got fries, I got kettle corn, mom's getting bubble tea.
Tamis.
Nabugbog ba kayong dalawa?
Nag-away kami.
Can I get one too? In here? Like in the middle?
Okay.
Mais pa yung akin.
Pwede na rin. Happy Canada Day! Canada! Dad is already sleeping. We're all sleepy and it's only 6 p.m. and yung fireworks is 10 p.m. pa. So we're not sure if we're still gonna go for it or just go home. So may nakita kami. First bus in Canada. It's this one. We're gonna show you around. Ito rin ang pinakaunang konduktor. Ang ganda po na dito sa loob, parang yung jeep sa Pinas. Kasi sa Pinas, ganito pa lang silang ano. Pag nakakita kami ng police car, talagang natatakot
Best friend ko
kami.
yun eh.
Lagi kasi siyang nahuhuli.
So, pag nahuli ka, wala sila pakialam sa nararamdaman mo, kaya tinanggal nila yung cushion. Ayun o.
Oh, Joana! Bawal, hindi nabubuksan sa loob.
Bye! Bye! 3, 2, 1.
What's up guys? Sinulan lang kami dito. Kamusta ang mga inulan?
Basa!
Ito,
Wala eh, advance mag-isip eh.
Advance mag-isip.
Pangdugyot.
Wala na, finish na.
Dugyot.
Tro,
Tapusin na ang vlog.
Hindi kami
Tro,
advance.
Ang mga kawawa.
Advance kami mag-isip!
Dapat pala hindi tayo
All for
advance
vlog.
mag-isip.
So, yun na nga guys, nakauwi na nga kami. And sorry, hindi ako nakapagbigay ng maayos na babay dahil talagang inulan kami doon. At 3 p.m. pa lang kami nandoon, nag-aantay kami ng fireworks. And then, 9:30 p.m. biglang bumuhos yung napakalakas na ulan. Nung una, super saya pa namin na nagsasayawan pa kami habang bumubuhos yung ulan. But then, talagang sobrang bumuhos siya. And nagtakbuhan kami pa uwi. And then, nung nandun na kami sa may parking lot, dun kung saan kami nag-park, which is 15 minutes away dun sa fireworks area, is narinig namin may pumutok, like, ganon. Tapos, lahat kami, sabi namin parang, oh my gosh. And then, yeah, nakakita kami ng spot na nakikita yung konting fireworks. So, nag-take ako ng videos noon para sa inyo. And yeah, sana magustuhan nyo tong Canada Day celebration namin with family and with our very own Team Poco. And see you next week. Happy Canada Day!
That's it, guys!
So please don't forget to hit the subscribe button para updated kayo sa weekly videos namin. Sana nag-enjoy kayo sa aming mini celebration ng Canada Day dito sa Farge in Coquitlam. And see you next week! Bye!